Porcelanosa is a ceramic company with over 45 years of experience that was born of pavement and ceramic coating. Currently, and thanks to a diversification process, has reached to provide floor and wall tiles to complete construction solutions from bathroom to kitchen. We are present in over 100 countries, with 900 owned stores in all 5 continents. As a supplier company for construction, we provide service for all kinds of projects, from homes to shopping malls or even hospitals. We work with firms such as Norman Foster, Richard Rogers or Zaha Hadid. We're at Porcelana's mold workshop. Our last machine in corporation is the Takumi CNC machining center. This machine provides several benefits. Main one is the time saving, making almost twice the production than previous machine. Furthermore, improving substantially the finishing quality of the mold. Innovation is one of the basic pillars of Porcelanosa. Companies like Ferrotall and Takumi help us keep being leaders in our industry and allows us to stay at technology forefront.